I was trying to make a video just to post to YouTube, but my phone ran out of room. So I'm just gonna do it here, cause fuck it. I'm unboxing this box. I've gone through 3. Right now I just opened this one. It's let me get this out, cause this is one of the cool things. You get a little card of each guy. If this focuses, can you read it? Can you read it? Anyway, it's a little Stone Cold. Every card has all the guys in the set. Thought it was gonna focus enough to read, but so yeah, I'm digging these. This box was Stone Cold. This one comes with a vest, which I'm pretty hype about because not everybody has a vest. And whack ass knee pads, what the hell are they called? The braces, knee braces. But what I like, this little baggie, because you get the Smoking Skull belt. I'm not going to take it out because the Ultimate Warrior one I have that's put away came with the Intercontinental, and I haven't opened that at all. But yeah, I'm digging this one. He has the most accessories aside from the Hogan. You got the regular Ric Flair that I got. He didn't come with anything except like a piece of plastic on his foot. Kind of sad. And the Hogan shirt and the Hogan. So, moving swiftly along, gonna go to the next box. I really like that Stone Cold. And again, do not eat. I like these little pull tabs because the other ones I don't think had these. And again, I'm not entirely sure how legal these figures are. I still think the dude either stole this from factory because they look too good to be knockoffs. But yeah, if I can do this one-handed. And it sucks because I got big fingers, so just everything working against me. I don't like looking at the card. I like to be surprised. Sorry if I show feet. They'll probably ban me. Alright, let's see who I got. It's The Rock. El Roca. That only makes sense if you ever saw WWF Metal on Telemundo. So I got Bald Rock, Modern Rock, Movie Star Rock. Man, these arms really, it sucks that they don't have articulation at the elbow. Got the Rock on the trunks, got the Brahma Bull on the butt. Did he come? He came with a belt too. What belt is this? He came with the Attitude Era WWE title. One of the underrated titles in WWE history. Not the Winged Eagle though. That one I liked. That one. It's very 80s, very my childhood. I missed that one. I like that one. All these. Oh, the card. Gotta see the card. Where's the card? The Rock. Oh, hey, this one focused. There should be Young Rock in the box somewhere in this set. I'm starting to run out of room. You know, I like Rock. I didn't really care if I got him. I know, cause this retail box comes with 8 figures, and you got the potential for that mystery figure. But there's more figures. Like, there's more Chase figures. There's more alternate ones. Because if you look in eBay, and I don't know if they're knockoffs either, but there's some alternates, especially the Rock, that I wouldn't mind. This one, I don't really care for modern Rock. I'm not making, I'm not looking to get like the Married with Children figures just to tag El Bundy with the Rock. You know what I mean? Cannot open with one hand. But, let's see who we got in here. But the quality in these ones, I mean, Loyal Subjects make really good figures. I'm sad about the price point on most of them, but they're really good. They're stupidly good quality. Let's dump this. That should be the Undertaker. No, it's the other Hogan. It's no shirt Hogan. That's really a bummer. Because this one's got the yellow bandana. The other one had the red bandana. Same thing. They both say Hulkamania, but this one has no shirt. It's kind of like if you ever played WCW NWO World Tour, and you have Hogan in the yellow trunks, and then you have Hogan with the yellow trunks and the shirt. It needs a shirt. You know what I mean? There's nothing in the bag, so there is nothing else. I'm not digging the generic figures. And even on the card, hey, look, I got no shirt. Hey, the dude made a living ripping his shirt off. How are you? How are you? How are you? You know what I mean? I like it, though, because I like these figures. R.I.P. Hogan. I don't know where to put these figures anymore. I'm running out of room. Alright, last three. Let's go, Andre. Gonna do this with the other hand because I think I have a little better control with my right. I'm already fucking up the box. Sorry about the black. Is it extra large? Nah, I don't know. I think they're all the same size, honestly. We'll take out the Hogan right now and check it out if it's Andre. Hey. Okay. We got Young Rock. Right, is that the name of the show? Young Rock? Young Dwayne? His feet are all crooked. Got the Rock. Got the old school trunks. That's like right after the Nation Domination. Rock with hair, if you remember that, if you lived through the 90s. All the hair. Brahma Bull on the butt. No belt. See, the belt The belt with the Rock that came with the modern Rock should have been in with this one. It makes more sense that way because it was the Attitude title. Let's see. See, that's an alternate. If I could have got the one with the glass. Did the glasses come in here? Did I get no glasses? Did they fall? No, just they're. I'm disappointed on that end. Why does he come with the belt if he has no belt? I like that the carding has something different. But man, if I could have got those sunglasses, shit. The Rock, nothing else in the box except, the salt. Do not eat. Environmental hazard. It's gonna eat my backyard probably. Alright, let's keep going. 2 more. This is where the money is. Do I get I'm opening it, Billy. I'm opening it. I'm just showing what I'm getting. I'm not gonna just open it and not show. What's the point of an unboxing? Here for you, Billy. Brother. Look at them good brothers right there. Oh, he comes with a microphone? I need that Rock. I'm gonna have to look for that on eBay. Mystery figure. I already know who it is. What? Microphone. Gonna have to go back and see if that Rock has a microphone. That's Hogan. That's Flair. That's Hogan. Where'd I put the Rock? The Rock. Okay, we got a belt. We got no microphone. I am heated. Where's my microphone? It has it on the box set. It comes with a microphone. I'm pretty disappointed. Very disappointed. For the amount of money I spent on this, oh, okay. Alright. My bad. I don't know why I left this out. Hey, the sunglasses are in there too. Alright. I'm not disappointed as much anymore. You got the Attitude title, the microphone, the sunglasses. I don't remember leaving this out, but okay. I guess I did. With the Croc. Country Croc. Put that back in there so I don't lose it. Okay, let's get back to this motherfucker. I'm sorry about the trolls in my Twitch channel. They're good people sometimes. It's really hard to do this with one hand. That's what she said. Alright, we're on the second to last box. I have not gotten what I wanted, what I bought the whole box for yet. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty now. It's really hard to do this with a phone in my hand. Okay, we got this open. This is supposed to be an Andre. Which one? Yes. This is a guy. The box is paid for right here because this is the one I wanted. This is game over. You know what I mean? If you want to buy any of the other figures, I will put them for sale. But yeah, this is This is what I bought the box for. And I'm going to have him beat everybody. Dig that vest. This would cover an entire cow in real life. Look at that man. Yeah. Anybody want a peanut? Get out of here, Billy. I don't think Andre had blue eyes. I'm pretty sure. Look at that. Look at that detail. Oh man, look at that afro. Glorious. The trunks are blue, the boots are red. I'm hype. Oh, he comes with some salt. Do not eat. It's not a peanut. It's not. I'm not clicking links. I don't know what you're trying to send with your virus shit, Billy. With your virus shit. The card on the insert. Andre the Giant. I wish I had. Loyal Subjects needs to make a Mean Gene Okerlund. Yeah, look at this badass. I was getting worried, and I'm so happy right now. So, the smart money is on the last box being just 80s Andre, which I don't mind. I'll have him fight Hogan. Stop trying to fight it. Alright. I'm at that to the box. I'm not trying to, I'm not eating Andre. I bought the box for Andre. I'm not going to eat him. Okay, last one, boys. Do I get the mystery figure? Do I get the special rock? I would be so pissed if I got another rock. So pissed. I should look in the box to see who it is. But that's not how I do things. I don't do it the smart way. I do it the, hey, surprise kind of way. Last one. Is it Andre? It's Andre. Trash Man Andre. 80s. Still blue eyes. I don't know. Look at that man. Alright, now the test. Let's stand this motherfucker. Okay, Billy can unfollow all he wants. You don't even follow me, Bacon. So what are you talking about? There's the easy one. Are these fools the same size? Yes. I think Flair might be a little taller. Woo. But yeah. I regret the money that I paid for it. But I don't regret paying for it, if that makes any sense. If I could have got it like $40 less, it would have been perfect. But I didn't, and the guy wouldn't even allow that on the best offer thing on eBay. So, whatever. I got what I wanted though, so I ain't gonna complain. I got fucking Stone Cold. Got fucking 2 Rocks, 2 Hogans. It's an eventful day. This was connected to... Was this with The Rock? I think it might have been with Flair. Shit. Okay. That, he had everything. Stone Cold had the belt. Hogan had the shirt. Andre was Andre. Flair did come with a microphone. Yes, okay. See, The Rock didn't come with all that though. I don't remember seeing it. Which one's this one? That's Rock. Young Rock. This is Yellow Hogan. Didn't come with Jack, I don't believe. Nope, nothing. Alright. Can't call him Young Hogan, because was Hogan ever young? Okay, Flair with a microphone. Hogan came out the womb bald. Alright, we got Hogan with a shirt. An eviction notice, what? I wish the Flair came with a bottle of hooch. They're saving that for the Arn Anderson. Okay, we got the microphone for Flair. Got the microphone for Young Rock. I do not have another plastic, so I don't think Old Rock came with anything. Right? Oh. Huh. Where did I put him? This one. I'm gonna throw all this a little later. Because we got... See, this is the Attitude title without... The Attitude title without the stuff. So I think they misboxed it. Because that came with Old Rock. Old Rock was supposed to come with a mic and a title. He only came with a title. Right? Yeah. There's no mic in there. There's no... You owe me a microphone, loyal subjects, assuming this came from you and wasn't stolen from a Korean sweatshop or whatever. I don't know. I got this from China. But yeah. So, pretty good. I'm gonna have to work a double job just to pay this off. But you know, it came in good, came in handy. I liked it. 10/10. Good play, good effort. And thanks for coming. Because I'll probably throw the beginning of this on YouTube if I can get the video to my computer. And then I'll splice in the rest of this. Yeah, so thanks for coming.